My name is Jordan Carpenter, and I'm an art major here at Mississippi State University. I plan to finish my education here and graduate with a Bachelor's of Fine Arts. I have recently joined the Honor Society, and I'm excited to become a member and explore the opportunities that this will bring into my life. I want to further my education and experience and become successful in the photography and film industry, hopefully establishing my own business. I enjoy art and music, and you can most likely find me in an art studio working on projects, singing with my a cappella group, editing photos, or just hanging out with friends. I am so glad to have chosen Mississippi State as my home, and I'm excited to see where this adventure leads me.